Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds 2. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony TV. This is with the Sony TV that has Google TV via Bluetooth. So first thing is, let's go ahead and put these in the pairing mode. So the buds are in the case, and then when I open these up, you'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of them is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, but I get a solid blue light here, and then mine's going to turn off. The reason is because I'm connected to my phone. So let me manually put this in the pairing mode. And how you do that is just grab one of the earbuds. It doesn't matter left or right. Just pull it out, and then you want to tap, and then tap and hold, and keep holding until both of them start blinking blue. So let's do that together. Let's pull the right one out, tap, tap and hold. Just keep holding until both lights start blinking blue, or wait about 10 seconds. Okay, there we go. So sometimes it takes me 2 times to do this, and then what I'll do is I'll just wait a second and do the same thing again. You don't have to put it back in the case and all that. Okay, anyway, we're in pairing mode now. They're both blinking blue. So let's go ahead and shoot over to our Sony TV. Just go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings, the gear button on your remote, or you can just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then just navigate to the gear icon on the top right hand side. So let's go ahead and slide over, and then we want all settings right there. Left pane here, we're going to go all the way down to remotes and accessories right there. Let's select that. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go right here, pair accessory. Let's select that. And now you see that spinning thing, or that line that's going through there is looking for device that's in pairing mode near me, and it already found that it showed up. And just show you that these are still in the pairing mode. They're still blinking blue, and it did find it. Let's make sure it's highlighted, and then okay that on the remote. And it says pairing. We should get a pairing request here. There we go, and just click pair. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in the description area.